Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the McCain breakfast 9-minute potato patties. So these are quick and easy hash browns that also taste very good. These you don't have to flip. They have 0 grams of trans fat and a bag is 600 grams. And per one potato patty, which is roughly 50 grams, it has 130 calories, 8 grams of fat, 13 grams of carbohydrates with 1 fiber, 0 sugar, and 1 gram of protein. So all in all, they're pretty much just fat and carb, but also delicious, quick, and easy breakfast food. So that's the nice thing about that. Instructions for cooking, they say just to cook from frozen, separate them on a dark non-stick baking pan, cook to a light golden color, do not overcook, do not cook in a microwave. So I disregarded those rules and I put mine in the air fryer, and they turned out pretty crispy golden. So really, you can do it anyway, just not the microwave. So it looked pretty decent. I love potato patties because they're kind of a easier to eat food item and they taste really good. They have like onion and different spices in it to make it taste really delicious. I'm gonna get right ahead here. Pretty cool. They have like a textured potato on the inside there. And it's really crispy on the outside. It's really nice. I like it. So these actually kind of taste similar to like a fast food restaurant's hash browns. So if you go to McDonald's, pretty similar to the ones there, which is kind of cool. So the McCain's 9-minute breakfast, very similar. Love it. I'll have one more bite and I'll give my final review here. Yeah, so there's a decent bit of oil in those and you can taste the oil. So that's where the 8 grams of fat are coming from. They're honestly quite good though. They have that potato-y, oily flavoring, a little bit of maybe onion flavor as well. And these, they're nice because they cook so quick and easy. So I'll give the McCain 9-minute breakfast a 8 out of 10. They're just quick, easy, good tasting hash browns. And that's all you can really ask. They're like $3 for a bag of this and it comes with 12 of them. So it's honestly a decent bit of food. It says there are 12 portions. Some of the other ones come with only 8 in them. This one's got 12, so good value for the money. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.